Hello crypto world fans! In today's video, we will dive into what USDT and USDC are and why is everyone talking about them. Let's get into it. In today's video, we will dive into what USDT and USDC are and why everyone is talking about them. Let's get into it. USDT and USDC are two cryptocurrencies created to provide stability amidst where prices can go up and down like crazy. This was made possible by tying their value to something stable. Of course, like the US dollar. That's why these are called stablecoins. And here's the real big question. If they are both supposed to do the same thing, what makes them different? Let's break it down. USDT was one of the first stablecoins. Its high acceptance on several exchanges has only made it a reliable choice for many. And well, stability is really a big attraction. But not everything is perfect. USDT has faced some controversies regarding its transparency. Tether Limited, its creator, guarantees that each token is backed by dollars in reserve, but many people are still skeptical. On the contrary, the lack of transparency has created great insecurity for cryptocurrency users. USDC in turn was launched a few years later but quickly gained ground. Like its crypto sister, USDT, each of its tokens is backed one-to-one by US dollars. But like USDT, it has its own reserve system, and to ensure transparency for its users, it has regular audits carried out by reputable third-party companies. At first, USDC operated only on Ethereum blockchain, but by May 2024, it had already expanded to 16 blockchain networks, making it super accessible and compatible with several DeFi protocols. With a focus on transparency, it quickly gained ground and trust in the crypto universe. Looks like world domination has a new name. Should we call it USDC? So let's finalize. Just as a coin has two sides, the main stablecoin also offers distinct benefits and use cases to users. USDC prioritizes transparency and regulatory compliance, ensuring that each token is fully backed by assets and reserves in the US banking system. This makes the stablecoin widely accepted in the market. Practicality is truly a rare, non-negotiable currency. But how do these differences manifest themselves in practice? USDT is the kind of liquidity. US is the king of liquidity. It has huge market capitalization and is accepted almost everywhere, which makes it super useful for trading and investing. But here's a big issue. The insufficient transparency of the reserve structure and the lack of regular audits create a potential risk of depreciation in case of problems. What about USDC? It's like a gold bar. Its reserves are solid and regularly audited, which gives investors a sense of security. Its drawback is that it's not as liquid as USDT, which makes it less accessible and convenient to use, making it difficult to trade and use quickly. Alright, so both USDT and USDC have their ups and downs, but they are both super important in bridging the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world. Now that you know them, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.